Newly installed Ombudsman Boying Remulla says he will prioritize building and filing flood control corruption cases within the coming weeks. Remulla took his oath as the new ombudsman on Thursday, October 9. In an interview following the ceremony, Remulla vows to prioritize the case build-up, ensuring that well-prepared cases are filed before the Sandigan Bayan and regional trial courts.
I think that this is an emergency situation pagdating sa nangyari sa DPWH. I think that we have to concentrate on that, do case build-up, and make sure that a very well-prepared case or cases are filed before the Sandigan Bayan and the RTCs, whichever the case may be. So, ang timeline niya will depend on that. Pero malamang yan, within the next few weeks, pag nag-file kami, ready kami for trial.
Remulla emphasizes that the buildup of cases will be based on evidence, regardless of whether the personalities involved are powerful figures. When asked to comment on critics of his appointment as ombudsman, Remulla simply shrugs it off.
Hindi sino, pero anong kaso? Anong ebidensya? Kaya everybody comes in there. Kaya wala ho tayong sinisino rito. Kung mataas man o mababa, pero sisiguraduhin natin yung ebidensya nakatuon pag-file natin ng kaso. So kahit mataas yan, kahit umabot na senador yan, kung saan maabutin yan, gagawin natin. Ganun talaga eh. Kasi they operate in a political sphere. Ako, I operate in a legal sphere.
Before his appointment, Remulla served as Department of Justice Secretary since June 2022. His bid for ombudsman did not go smoothly as he first had to secure clearance from the Office of the Ombudsman due to his pending cases. The Ombudsman has dismissed the cases against Remulla and others stemming from their role in former President Rodrigo Duterte's arrest and transfer to the International Criminal Court.